Money matters can be a sensitive topic, especially when it involves two people in a relationship. Let's face it, we've all been there. The awkward silence that follows the bill at a fancy restaurant, the furtive glances exchanged when discussing a new investment, or the palpable tension when one partner earns significantly more than the other. These are the realities of managing finances in a relationship, and they're not always easy to navigate. Discussing money can often feel like navigating a minefield, with each step potentially leading to uncomfortable confrontations or hurt feelings. But let's not forget, this is a dance that we're all in together, and it's crucial to find a rhythm that works for both partners. After all, money isn't just a bunch of numbers on a spreadsheet. It's the means to achieve our dreams, to secure our future, and to enjoy the fruits of our labor. Yet despite the importance of financial harmony, it's often a topic that's swept under the rug, hidden behind closed doors, or glossed over with a quick, "We'll figure it out later." But let's make this clear. Avoiding the financial elephant in the room does not make it disappear. Instead, it grows larger, more intimidating, casting a shadow over your relationship. Financial harmony is not just about balancing the books, it's about understanding and respecting each other's financial perspectives, values, and goals. It's about creating a safe space for open, honest, and constructive conversations about money. It's about taking the time to understand each other's financial strengths and weaknesses, and using that knowledge to build a stronger, healthier, and more financially secure partnership. So let's take a moment to acknowledge this financial elephant. Let's recognize the discomfort, the tension, and the fear that often surrounds money conversations. Let's accept that discussing finances can be complex, sensitive, and at times challenging. But let's also remember that it's worth it, because when we talk about money, we're not just talking about dollars and cents. We're talking about our hopes, our dreams, and our future together. But remember, it's not just about money. It's about your shared dreams, your collective future, and your mutual growth. When you're in a partnership, your dreams often merge. Your financial goals should too. Imagine this. You're on a tandem bicycle, pedaling together towards a shared destination. That's what setting financial goals as a couple should feel like. It's a journey that you embark on together, and it's an essential part of maintaining a healthy partnership. So, how do you approach it? Well, it starts with open communication. Discuss your individual financial aspirations and how they align with your shared vision for the future. Perhaps one of you dreams of starting a business, while the other yearns for a peaceful retirement in a countryside cottage. It's vital to understand these dreams, respect them, and find a way to weave them into a shared vision. Once you've painted a picture of your shared financial future, it's time to set some concrete goals. These could range from short-term targets like saving for a vacation or paying off a credit card to long-term ambitions like buying a home or building a retirement nest egg. Make sure these goals are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will help you stay on track and measure your progress along the way. But remember, it's not just about setting goals, it's about setting them together. This means both partners are equally involved and committed to the process. It's about mutual decision-making, shared responsibility, and teamwork. When both partners are invested in the financial journey, it creates a sense of ownership and accountability, which can significantly boost your chances of success. And what are the benefits of this joint endeavor? Well, besides the obvious financial advantages, setting goals together can strengthen your relationship. It fosters open communication, promotes trust, and deepens your understanding of each other. It can also help prevent financial disagreements down the line, as you've already established a shared vision and a plan to achieve it. So as you navigate your financial journey as a couple, remember this. Your goals aren't just numbers on a spreadsheet. They're the dreams that you share, the life you're building together. So, dream together, plan together, and achieve together. With shared dreams comes shared responsibilities. Budgeting is one of them. This statement holds true for every couple aspiring to build a life together. And while budgeting might sound like a complex and overwhelming task, it's actually a simple process that can be mastered with a little bit of patience and commitment. Let's start with the basics. A budget is a financial plan that helps you track your income and expenses. It's essential for understanding where your money is going and for making informed decisions about your spending. But how do you create a budget that works for both of you? The first step is to establish a common ground. Sit down together and openly discuss your income, expenses, and financial goals. Transparency is key here. It might be uncomfortable to talk about money, but it's a conversation that needs to happen. Next, categorize your expenses into shared and individual. Shared expenses might include rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, and other household expenses. Individual expenses, on the other hand, could be personal hobbies, salon visits, or anything else that you spend money on independently. Once you've categorized your expenses, allocate a portion of your income to each category based on your mutual agreement. This will help you manage your shared expenses efficiently, while also ensuring that each of you has some money set aside for personal spending. Remember, the goal of budgeting is not to restrict your spending, but to help you spend wisely. It's about making sure that your expenses align with your financial goals. So if you find that your current spending habits are not in line with your goals, it's time to make some adjustments. Lastly, it's important to revisit your budget regularly. Life is unpredictable, and your financial situation might change over time. Regular check-ins will help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments to your budget as needed. That's the essence of budgeting as a couple. It's not just about managing your money, but about working together towards a common goal. It's about understanding each other's financial habits and finding a balance that works for both of you. Remember, a budget is not a constraint, but a reflection of your priorities. So make sure that your budget reflects the life that you want to build together. Life is unpredictable and so are finances, but with a little planning, you can be ready for anything. Now let's talk about future planning and adapting. It's no secret that saving for future goals is a significant part of financial planning. Whether it's buying a home, planning a dream vacation, or preparing for retirement, these goals require concerted effort and disciplined saving. It's crucial to have these conversations early and adjust your mutual financial plan accordingly. However, it's also essential to remember that plans can and often do change. The world of finance is as dynamic as life itself. Market fluctuations, changes in income, or unforeseen expenses, these are all a part of life's rich tapestry. But they don't have to derail your financial journey. Addressing common challenges like debt management is an integral part of this journey. Debt can feel like a dark cloud hovering over your financial goals. But remember, it's a shared challenge and you can tackle it together. Create a plan to manage and eventually eliminate debt. This could involve consolidating loans, creating a budget that prioritizes debt repayment, or seeking advice from a financial advisor. Differing spending habits can also present challenges. One of you might be a saver while the other is a spender. It's important to understand that there's no right or wrong way to handle money, but a balanced approach usually works best. Acknowledge your differences, discuss them openly, and find a middle ground that satisfies both parties. Regular financial check-ins are a great way to ensure you're on track. These can be as formal or informal as you like, but the key is consistency. Use these check-ins to review your goals, assess your progress, and make any necessary adjustments to your plan. Adapting your plan as needed is not a sign of failure. On the contrary, it shows that you're tuned into your financial situation and willing to make changes for the better. Remember, you're not just planning for a future, you're planning for your future together. Stay flexible, stay prepared, and remember, you're in this together. It all begins with a conversation, a simple, honest talk about finances. Starting this conversation might seem daunting, but it's a vital step towards financial harmony. It's about opening up, sharing your perspectives, your dreams, your fears. It's about understanding and respecting each other's financial habits and goals. This conversation doesn't have to be a one-off event, but rather, it should be an ongoing dialogue that adapts as your relationship and financial circumstances evolve. You might be wondering, where do we even start? Well, start by discussing your individual financial goals and your shared aspirations. This could be anything from buying a home, planning a vacation, to preparing for retirement. Then gradually delve into your current financial state. Discuss your incomes, your expenses, your debt, your savings. The key here is transparency and honesty. While having these discussions, remember that it's perfectly normal to have different viewpoints about money. It's not about who's right or wrong, but about finding a common ground and working towards mutual financial goals. As you navigate these conversations, remember that you're not alone. There are resources available to help guide you through this process. You could consider seeking advice from financial advisors who are equipped to provide you with strategies tailored to your unique circumstances. There are also numerous online resources and mobile apps designed to help couples manage their finances together. These tools can provide you with insights into your spending habits, help you track your budget, and even assist you in setting and achieving your financial goals. But remember, the most important resource you have is each other. Support each other, listen to each other, respect each other's perspective. It's not just about building a strong financial foundation, but also about strengthening your relationship. So, why wait? Start the conversation today. It may be uncomfortable at first, but over time it will become easier and more natural, and the rewards are well worth it. A shared understanding of your financial situation can lead to better decision-making, less stress, and ultimately, a more harmonious relationship. So start the conversation today. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial harmony. We hope you found this video helpful and insightful. Remember, starting the conversation about finances is not just about numbers and cents. It's about understanding, respecting, and supporting each other. We hope this video has given you the confidence and tools to start that conversation and pave the way for a more financially secure future together. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. This not only supports our channel but also helps others to find this valuable content. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on our upcoming videos, which will delve deeper into the world of personal finance. We're dedicated to providing you with practical tips and strategies to help you manage your money better. And finally, remember that the journey to financial harmony starts with a single step, a single conversation. So why wait? Start the conversation today. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.